Good evening, everyone. We are about to start packing up the car, right? But yeah, we're gonna start slowly because we still have a few days left. But there's just so much stuff in my room that I think it's time for it to. What? I think it's time for us to get it moving. So yeah, we're gonna start with like the heaviest stuff and things that are like in boxes, and the last to go will be clothes because we can like put them into spaces in between of other things, just like that. Okay, so we're gonna show you what we're gonna do tonight.
So we're now increasing the efficiency
Yeah.
by shoving stuff in shoes
and shoe boxes mainly.
yeah.
There's like space.
For example, this can go.
Oh, I don't want to use my shoes. It's for food.
Are you gonna wash it?
Yeah, but like, can you give me something else, like a towel? No.
Well, you get the picture. Maybe this on top.
Wait, I'm trying to figure it out. Yeah, basically we're trying to see
Yeah.
what small things I have and where can we squeeze them in, basically.
So yeah, that was the update. You see, it's a bit of a mess, but yeah, that's what comes with moving.
Yeah. Hello, it's the next day, and we are
Carrying heavy stuff.
We are carrying some stuff downstairs because yesterday we only put a few boxes in the car because it was getting like late. So we're gonna pack today. Okay, so we are packing up the car and we are surprised by how much fits. It's like, how much did you say is in?
I think 75% is in.
Yeah, so that's how it's looking, and as you can see, we're literally like shoving in all holes possible. So yeah, some more here, and obviously we still have more bags, but yeah, it's looking pretty good.
The last thing is getting packed. My kitty pie.
Hi.
Hi. And we have a mascot sitting at the front. He's gonna drive. He's a way better driver than me.
Okay, so we are fully packed, and that's how the car is looking. The trunk is completely full, and here we are not covering the windows, which is great. So yeah, that's the car full. Every space is used. left at what, like 4:40 or something that we left. It's now 6:30, so yeah, first stop done. And do you have something else to say?
No, it's just smooth cruising, you know.
Yeah, still like, empty roads, so that's nice. Yeah, we have loads of food.
Way too much.
Yeah, probably too much, but it's better to have a bit too much than,
We'll survive 2 days on it.
Yeah. If we get stuff in traffic, we're fine, we're covered. We can probably share with people. So yeah, we're gonna update you on the way then, so keep watching. We are crossing the border to Germany. Yeah, there was some police of Germany, well, Polizei. So yeah. So we cross? Yeah, we crossed, right? That's it? Nothing too exciting.
Hi everyone, we are on our way. We're currently having a break here, as you can see.
Here, as in Germany?
Yes, in Germany we are past Berlin, like 150 kilometers from Hamburg-ish. And yeah, things are going good. It's getting more busier, of course, now when people are waking up. It's like, what, 12 o'clock?
Yeah,
Quarter past
past
12.
Yeah.
So yeah, the past hour or two we had more traffic, but yeah, we'll deal with it.
Yeah, well, no, show what I'm wearing. That's the outfit of the day. Just t-shirt, leggings, and how do you call those? Like sneakers, whatever. But I'm gonna switch into. I'm gonna change into shorts because it's actually really warm.
Yep, it's like
Well, it feels like
starting to go to the 30s.
29 at least, 30. Yeah. So really good weather. I wish we were at the beach.
At least I have a beach here.
Excuse me.
Hey, talk to you guys later.
still gonna have to refuel, so it's gonna be a little bit more. Yeah, so how was the drive so far? Well, most of the...
Actually, it calmed down a lot towards the end, so it's quite good.
Yeah, Germany was a bit busy at some point, right?
Yeah, the middle was
And
busy.
some like roadworks, and the lanes were like what, 2.1 meters, so it's kind of like
2.1, 2.2, 2.3, something like that.
yeah. So at the time they were really narrow.
But the left lane, I think.
Yeah, the left one.
The right ones are always normal width-ish.
Yeah. But yeah, one thing in Germany that the toilets you pay for are really clean. Maybe I don't know if anyone cares, but I do. Like every time somebody uses it, like the toilet seat cleans itself, and you pay 70 euro cents, and you get a 50 euro cents voucher back, kind of like from the
Yes.
machine, from the machine right away after you pay for the toilet, and then you can use that voucher in like their shop at that stop. So we actually didn't use our vouchers on the first one, but the second one we had 2 euros. So
Yeah, you don't have to use it in the same stop.
yeah, just it has to be the same like brand, company.
Yeah.
It's called, I checked, it's called Sunny Fair. Like yeah, and you can like take few of the vouchers and use them at once. So we had 2 euro because we stopped twice in those.
Yeah, we each went.
Yeah, we each went twice, so we had 2 euros saved up, and I just got myself an ice cream, so I only had to pay 49 euro cents extra. So yeah, just collect them. You can get some for yourself. Yeah, and now we're on our way. We might still see you from the car when we're like in Belgium, right? Maybe.
Yeah, sure, obviously.
No, I mean we're gonna finish like when we're like home.
Yeah.
But still like from the car maybe in Belgium.
We'll
But
still
yeah.
see you. You're not rid of us yet.
Unfortunately for you. But yeah, see you later. I'm alone in the car at the fuel station in Belgium. It's gonna be our last stop before we get home. Yeah, Nico just went to the toilet and I'm waiting for him. And yeah, so tired. Like it's don't know actually what time it is. I think it's around 6 past 6. So we've been driving since like before 5 a.m. So yeah, it's a bit tiring, but yeah, we still want to move tonight, the stuff from the car at least into the apartment. So because I don't want to leave anything in the car. And tomorrow I'm gonna unpack. I know I'm gonna start unpacking tonight, but we'll see how much I will be able to do even. So yeah. I think what you're gonna see next is us unpacking, or like me showing what we have managed to unpack. So yeah, stay tuned. Oh, your window is so dirty. Oh, here it's nice.
Yeah, of course my window is dirty. It's driven like 2000. Oh my god, 2666.6 ads. Well, now it's 0.7.
Beach. We have arrived in
My city.
St. Nicholas. Why do I have like food next to me? Okay, never mind. Yeah, it's very bright.
Because you're a messy eater, that's why.
No, the messy eater.
Obviously you are.
No.
Or else it forgetfulness on the seat.
Oh no. traveled from yours. Anyway, we are in the city already, so I guess we're gonna chill for a sec and then start bringing stuff in.
Oh, I think we should right away start bringing in stuff.
Right away.
Yeah, just make
No, non-stop.
yeah,
Just do it. Why not? My god, it's so bright.
get it over with.
Yeah, maybe. Okay. Well, you're gonna see what we're gonna do. We have arrived. That's the current state of this room. Also have some stuff in the other room. And I'm making Nico change the bulbs because I'm hoping it's gonna be brighter than it is right now. So we'll see. So Nico has installed the light, and what do you think?
I'm kind of doubting about the color. But
Yeah. But the brightness, it's so much different.
yeah, definitely. We're gonna see maybe to take one out if that's like
Yeah,
too little.
we'll see if three, because three fit in for now. So we'll see if that's too much. We're gonna take one out. But yeah, now we're gonna deal with this mountain of clothing that's here. This is as good as it gets for today. At least the bed is empty. Loads of stuff here, but we're tired, as you can see maybe. Yeah, it's already 9 o'clock. We've been up since like 4. So we're gonna watch some series and go to sleep, and tomorrow we're gonna deal with like paper stuff, official things. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to see more of me organizing, like completely moving in, and also dealing with official paperwork and stuff like that. So that starts tomorrow. So see you then. Bye.